there.
Hey, listen.
Mommy's calling you.
Mom.
Oh.
Warren
Warren just keeps falling
slammed
over.
the wall.
Say hi, Warren.
Hi, Pee-Pee.
Ew.
Do you see you? Can you see yourself? Can you see it?
Uh-huh. Look in the viewfinder.
Ooh. What's your name?
One.
How old are you?
You gotta turn around.
Oh, you want to see it?
Stop for you. This number.
This number? What number?
This one.
3?
Yeah.
Cool.
Whoa!
And he is giant of the bonus.
Ew. You silly Aiden.
I need the bonus. Hold on, more.
Say hi, Aiden.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Aiden. Aiden.
I think I lost the
Say hi, Warren.
thing that's supposed to charge the battery.
Hello.
Yay.
I see that.
Oh, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Aiden, put your shirt back on. What do you think you are, a banshee? See, what is up with that? Jersey, come here. I think it's the lawn. The lawn has
Almost, Aiden.
Your shirt. That's not how a shirt is supposed to be worn. That's a shirt, not a hat. Oh.
There you go.
Aiden, you better put your shirt on.
Hot dog. Here.
Be careful.
I can't see. I can see the back.
See? You looking in your mouth?
Ah.
Why is your tongue blue? What did you eat? Hey, careful. Ooh, ooh. Warren, watch the drink. Watch the drink.
You sure?
Ah.
Sweetheart. Oh,
Howie.
oh. Okay, okay. Of the apartment before we leave because the battery doesn't hold for too long. We're getting ready to go home a day early and surprise everyone. Woo. This is the living room, our new couch, tree, dining room, bar, my kitchen. David, don't throw your banana on film. This is where the laundry is. Bathroom. Bedroom, which is messy because we're leaving. You better eat that banana now. Big old window.
Of course I will.
Messy bed. Closet's over there. Okay, leave. We're in the car. Marley! Marley is ready. This is the stairway up to
You got a tissue?
the apartment. Yeah?
I need a tissue.
For what?
Check the oil.
Okay, hold on. Mail hut. Pool is back there. This is our main road. Whatever, looks pretty bleak. Marley! Getting in the food.
Of course.
We might have to throw her out in the trunk before we get there.
You should show the Starbucks you want to go.
There is the mall that's
About to go
barren
under.
all the time and it's going out of business. Our fast food joints. Let's see. The gayest furniture store ever. Guess what? Going out of business. Let's see.
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster, which David whines about because we can't afford yet.
Zoom in.
I can't see Starbucks.
It's around the hill.
Oh, wait, another red. There's Starbucks where I put in an app and talk to the manager. Hopefully, he'll call me. And that carousel is for a stupid Kia car sales lot. Yeah, who buys a Kia? People like a mean. Isn't it west, David?
I'm gonna get on 65.
You're going all the way to 65?
Might as well.
Okay, I guess we got a long ride till the freeway. There's the Batman building.
It's kind of hard to see right now.
Or Bell South, I think.
Now it's AT&T.
Nashville.
There she
Isn't
is.
it so exciting and large?
Zoom in.
Marley.
Where'd she go? Want to go for a car ride? Oh wait, where are you doing that? Marley. Marley, look. Look, Marley. Look over here. Look over here. Marley. Marley. Want a cookie? Want to go for a walk? Want to go outside? Want to go poo-poo? Want to go pee-pee? Marley, look at me.
Go ahead.
She was so whining when you left, I had to videotape it. It's Cincinnati. Very shaky Cincinnati.
Only stinking freaking Ohio to go. In like 4 hours. Kentucky plays some gay Christmas music.
I'm sorry for all the shakiness. It's hard to do that when you're zoomed in. Say it again.
It's Michigan after 13 hours.
13 hours in the car.
And Marley died from boredom.
Yeah, you can't really see her. It's too dark.
Almost over. I'll see about the snow yet.
Oh, I think.
Okay, we're about to ambush Mom and Teresa because they don't know we're home. And here we go.
It's all blurry.
Hello?
Hello?
Where's Mom? Bathroom?
No, bedroom.
We'll wait.
That's good because we have a camera.
Jody Woody! Hi, Jody!
Sally.
Jody Woody! Jody Woody! Hi, Sally! Sally,
Marley?
where's Xanadu at? Where's the Xanadu kitties?
Probably hiding somewhere.
Jody! Hi, Jody! Hi, Jody! Hi, Jody!
We're just waiting for the animals to make their appearance. Ooh, nice, pretty tree.
Sally's up here all puffed up. Like she doesn't remember Marley.
Sally!
And Ubi was around the corner. He's right here.
Where's Ubi?
Lost her
Ubi!
hair. No, you didn't feed her enough. Oh, you're supposed to call me on your way. It's not ready.
Here, Mom.
That's okay. We need to bring in our stuff. So.
Gift I got for
Hi, Jody!
David.
Marley,
I didn't wrap it yet.
Hi, Teresa.
Give me a hug.
That's our groundhog.
they haven't been in the snow. She hasn't been in the snow yet.
Hello there.
I hate you for taking my daughter away.
So nice.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
David's
Christmas.
getting skinny too. So are you. You
No,
guys
I'm
aren't
not.
eating enough. The house is a mess.
Should we go get our
Are you
stuff?
trapped?
Tomorrow before noon.
Maybe a little bit. Put that away.
You can stop it.
Okay.
Open your stockings.
Okay.
Oh, I thought we had to go one at a time.
Milk does.
Look.
It's a tool.
It's got tools in it.
Oh, does it?
Where?
Inside, because Mandy was using that pin as a toolbox.
My plastic under the bed thing.
Come on. Is this a safe haven?
Look at that dog. Yes. Cave.
Close the oven, Dan.
Cool. Now we don't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah.
I think it's big enough.
Yeah, there's only two of us.
Put it over here. Hey, throw your garbage over here.
Okay.
Give Teresa that bag of clothes.
No, not.
Oh, garbage.
This has already been opened.
Already been opened. ABO.
I've already opened it.
We reused the bag,
Open
but
it
that's new,
again.
all new
Act
stuff.
surprised if it's not.
That's why it looks weird.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's a sweatshirt.
Oh, Dougie, this is awesome. Is that an
Oh.
ornament?
Yeah, yeah. You can hang it all year round. if you
Oh,
want,
I
but-
will.
I thought it was cool.
Look.
They also had a pig with wings, but I'm like, go when pigs fly. What about frogs?
I like frogs. I kind of collect frogs.
Cool. Everything in this is green. Because you're green.
And the world is green.
Blow's green.
No, you can have a frog.
Marley.
Yeah, that should be how you do it. See why that wouldn't.
Smells like wood.
Represents the soul of all the frogs that have died. They fly away.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I like the
Oh,
things.
pretty.
Yeah, and if you take it out, it looks a lot more elaborate. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I've gotten some.
Oh, I can hang it on the window.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. Look at
Giant
that heart.
stargazer.
That's awesome. I've been collecting those too, see?
Yeah.
In the window,
Where's
on
the
the
heart?
door.
Where's the heart?
No, I got the heart already on the door.
Oh.
That's awesome. And you put it in the bedroom.
Look at the blue jay. Look at.
It's been out there for a few minutes.
Oh really?
You gotta feed them.
See that you left one. Maybe.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What's
Oh,
that?
you can hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
Pretty.
There's
Yeah, it's so
like
pretty.
13 rays to that sun.
Let me see.
They're really cool.
Is it a
Collaborators
mirror?
in yeah.
Okay.
My favorite gift so far.
Yeah. That's my plan. Get it out there. Keep it away.
I like that.
That's cool. Flying frog.
He's on a mission.
Put them on the screen.
Nice, hanging from the ceiling.
You like it?
See Ubi's body. Ubi!
He doesn't care.
Xanadu. She's hungry. David, you could feed him. Make her happy. Stop it.
Is that like one of those,
You want to feed her?
Okay.
Film the child
okay.
opening
Yeah,
gifts.
there's like so many
Get
different
to her.
variations of that. You have some kind of plastic thing that makes puts
I
pressure
know,
on the screen.
I wrapped that really complex,
Brings out the colors.
complexly.
Into the-
Remember, children, big children. David, I got you $200 gift certificate for
Mom, you
Christmas.
don't have to remind us how
Me?
much you've
Me,
given
I
her.
bought you a bunch of clothes before you left. And you lived here for 2 months. And then you put all that money into your gift.
What?
All that work program stuff.
Oh yeah.
And
All
paid
that
for your
money
car.
is fine and stuff.
That's things that are needed aren't seasonal.
No, but that was my gift to you guys this year. So.
She's saying that's where her money went throughout the
Right,
year.
I understand. And she understands that. I appreciate it. That
Xanadu.
abundantly clear when I was going through it.
Xanadu. Xanadu.
Come on, let me look paper.
Is this another one of my gift cards now?
No.
Wally!
We're
I saw
gonna
that
watch
movie.
that tonight over at Grandma's. That's awesome.
It's it's really good.
I never saw it.
Yeah, it's a movie.
We can watch it tonight.
Between the old trash
It's not all
compacting
about you.
robot and the new
It's not.
sleek
It's not all about you.
incinerating robot.
You want it to be,
Eva.
but it's not.
Eva.
Yeah.
Voice is all like that.
I I heard that the movie had a lot of Christian themes about Adam and Eve and
Yeah.
different things like that.
Yeah, the new female robot is named Eve. Just clear cut drive.
Andy goes,
I like the concept of Epicureanism and how people were just like feeding their desires instead of their
And
minds,
then there's all.
and they ended up like running down.
Here's
the-
your
so
gift,
it,
Mommy.
it was no longer inhabitable. Like,
Oh.
and they exhausted all
This
the
from you?
resources, and they had to jettison out into space and live on a mutiny on a huge
I never did
ship.
see it.
Everybody's overweight.
It's a
They
hook.
can't move. They
Really?
can't get up out of
It's a
chairs,
hook
but they're
sometimes.
catered to. That's
It's a
how they got that
mantle.
way.
Yeah,
This
it's a
technology does
holder.
everything for you.
Mm-hmm.
It starts with, okay, now I don't gotta remember the phone numbers, the SIM card stored. Oh, I don't gotta get up, I can use remote control, you know. Pretty soon you're sitting in a steel enforced house saying, you know,
I don't need to get
made
out.
5,000, do this, you know, it's like, that's kind of the concept it plays with.
You
And
have
Pretty.
no sense
You
of
got any
humor.
more?
I've tried so many times, but you still won't reply. We've gone so dead and dry, and the only one who ever understood it all. Could it be so mistaken now to think you got what you want?
Jenga.
Going to fall.
Oh, hurry, I don't have much battery.
Sorry. It's going to fall. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's not gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. Ah! Okay. Last part. Trying to put it. Oh, your turn, man. Oh, so close.
Still.
Lucky.
Let go.
Lucky. Okay.
Kitties trying to get the box open.
Booby. Okay.
Oh, battery's dying. Hurry.
Oh, oh.
Just make it fall. Just pick a hard one.
You are gonna watch it fall.
But let's catch it.
Oh! Sorry. Okay, your turn. Okay. About to fall.
Really wobbly now.
Okay, we gotta
No.
watch it.
No falling.
Okay. I'm gonna try.
Look it, they got the box open.
Ah! Kitty, box open. Okay. I gotta watch where I'm poking.
That's what he said. Oh, you're wobbly.
Okay.
Ooby.
We're in
Look
good
at him.
shape.
Look at him. Get him.
I know.
Get him getting that bag open.
We are gonna switch over to the
Get him on camera.
cat.
Yeah.
Booby.
I would say
Okay. Coming back to Jenga.
Oh, my turn?
Yep.
Why don't you try these ones?
This thing just needs to fall.
It will be my turn.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
You know, here, do you want me to record? Because that's going to inhibit your playing.
I don't know if it's gonna die.
Is it? Yeah, the battery thing is working. So.
Okay.
Heavens to us.
I bet that's the best Jenga in the world.
Who got you Jenga, Tracy?
Huh?
Who got you Jenga?
Tracy.
Tracy? That's very
Thanks,
nice.
Tracy.
Yeah.
If this becomes famous, I'll blame.
Becomes famous. What are you guys posting on YouTube?
I don't know. I guess Tracy.
Dude, did you see the Jenga video? Man, those sisters rocked it out.
If that made it, that would be sad.
Oh,
I can't even sit down to play anymore.
That excited, huh?
You act like you never eat.
Crazy cat. Determined. Hungry. Ripping bags over.
Starving poor kitties. Find a box of food.
No.
Wish Mom would see this.
Yeah, but she's in there talking.
Just saw him.
I know. And I have to talk even after they said everything they need to say.
Ruby. I bet he wishes he had claws right now.
He has the remnants of claws, right?
He has teeth
Nubs.
and claws.
Yeah.
He has teeth and claws.
Yeah, he's still got those teeth. Uh-oh. Watch out. Isn't it legal to actually hold on to the tower blocks while you're pushing other ones out?
I don't think so.
That's what I do. Oh.
Cheating?
I'm gonna be impressed if that makes it. How long you guys been playing for?
I don't
About
know.
10 minutes.
No,
Really?
20 minutes, man.
Really? 20 minutes on a Jenga game?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys have been painstakingly selective
Ever
with your moves.
since you've been reading that book we started.
Yeah.
So that's about, let's say 10 minutes. Oh, no,
What does Batman have to do with Jenga?
Batman. And I'm just going to
He can't save you now. You gotta finish this one on your own.
Batman rocket Jenga.
Yeah, he would, I think.
He can do really specific things with his hands and tools.
Oh!
Batman is a tool. Zing.
He what?
Is a tool.
Should I just make it fall? Because I don't know what else to take.
Oh.
There's
Alright.
nothing in the middle.
Try up here, maybe, if you could. Ew. I've already tried that.
I'm just gonna do it because I don't know what else to take.
No,
Play it out,
that's
seriously. Like, you guys have,
We've
Really?
exhausted all possible options.
yeah. And, wow. Wow. You do that really quick, too. Hey,
I'm trying to make it fall and I can't. Superhuman.
wow. I wonder if people
Look,
are,
it's like-
are so good they've been able to get it, like, this section right here. I'm sure that's possible,
Oh,
but
you
you'd
can
have to
turn
leave,
it.
like, the middle piece of all of them.
We
Yeah.
kind of
Just take the outside of the bottom.
try.
Maybe that's a trick to turn them
Maybe.
into more structure.
Yeah, yeah.
I should've
see,
been an architect.
That's yeah.
And you.
Is it, like Dave's brother, right? Oh, I know. He's studying,
Matthew?
studying. Yeah.
Well, he's an auto.
No,
Architecture.
I'm not sure. I just
Oh,
remember
building
somebody
cars.
said.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's just knock it.
hold on. I'll take a piece.
Knock on wood.
Oh.
Ubi gave up.
Oh,
Huh?
my gosh,
Ubi
man.
gave up.
Look,
Yeah.
I just did that.
He's like, all right, I guess I'll just lay here by it.
He does not want to go.
Be cool. All right.
Nice game.
So, is that all? Is that
Yes.
all she wrote?
That's our masterpiece.
Sweet.
Let me see if I can stack them all. On
Go
the good
in
side.
front.
I don't know where.
As far as I'm concerned, I am on the good side.
Oh my.
What does that mean?
Brandon does like butt cracks.
What is this?
Not for you.
That's a cute one.
This is not an artistic deal, David.
Life is an artistic deal.
How come Miranda gets special gifts?
Why
She
not?
gets good head.
Because she was a special gift to us.
Oh my
We have a video camera going.
What's supposed to tell?
Because DQ misses me.
Miranda, I found a better one. I said because you are a special gift to Dairy Queen.
Oh, he stole my heart. Did you see my note that I left in the cabinet?
You didn't see it?
No. Dispenser napkins! Woo!
In the cake cabinet.
Today? Did you make a blanket out of my shirt? Out of the shirt?
Everybody's shirts.
Aww.
Oh, a Dairy Queen blanket. She's gonna cry.
This one must be mine.
That's awesome.
That is mine.
With bleach stains and all.
Because I left mine.
Get us out of that box, Miranda.
Hold it up,
Yeah,
Miranda.
I left
Everyone
mine.
in sequence. Oh.
Stand up on the chair.
No, it's not. I learned how to sew just for you.
Oh.
Me and Erica and Brandon, because Brandon
helped teach Tracy how to sew.
Yeah.
Justin would have to do the same thing for me.
All right. That's what I could hear.
Brandon, you know how to sew?
Yes, I know how to
You know
sew.
how to sew?
Yeah.
Brandon's an excellent sewer.
I know.
One big happy family.
I make a tie blanket. I don't know how to
Yeah, me
sew.
too.
Yeah, like those.
But it was
Those are fun.
It's a baby.
Yeah, I make a tie.
It's a baby. Hello, baby. Hello.
I know that's mine because I remember the pattern.
It's authentic.
Are you sure it's bleach?
Oh.
I don't know. Was your dad on this blanket?
Oh.
No, I can't remember while they're making it.
Wasn't this yours?
Yeah, and I got the cocoa fudge on it.
Wait. No, it doesn't smell like cocoa.
Most of us donated a couple of shirts.
This is the one I spilled like cone dip on or something all in the front.
Tracy.
Old school ones up here for you. The
Uh,
stains just make it more interesting. That one was mine, I'm sure.
That one was mine.
That is an old one.
Yeah. I think that's Erica's shirt.
Yeah.
The old one.
No, this one is from like Gibraltar.
that other
I had this.
Erica, that other shirt you guys made were from all the band shirts. That is the warmest blanket
I
we
know,
have.
we love my band shirt.
That is the warmest blanket
I
we
mean, my
have.
band blanket.
I like the shirt down here. This one's
Thanks.
cool.
No, actually,
Yeah,
Erica didn't beat her done. Cause like I'd sew a part and I'd like completely screw it up, and she'd have to like we'd have to tear it back apart and resew it.
I thought your sewing
Seriously,
line
happened
was
like 5
Her
times.
mom's.
And she'd be like, "No, it's okay. You can sew it." And I'm like, "Seriously, no."
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, those things are a
Hi,
lot
Miranda.
harder to use than they look.
No, I've never used one, so I imagine.
Do you know how to sew?
It's
So
so
sweet. Well, see, my mom doesn't know how to sew, so it's not like I can learn from her or something.
We have a
Do you
sewing
have to like
machine.
measure it?
I never need to buy blankets.
Parts of it were measured, like
Hi, Jenny.
Like the size of the shirt?
yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Why is there smoke coming out of your room?
Oh my god! It's the humidifier.
That's probably not accident.
We're old people and have
Something is on fire.
Were you smoking back there?
I thought one of the cats was smoking.
the rabbits on fire.
Oh, sorry. I don't have depth perception. Where's Big Cat?
No, one day I woke up like,
Where's Big Cat at?
and I sneezed, and it was funny.
Where's Big Cat?
I don't know.
Gushing blood. I'm like, oh my god! Like, trying to stuff something there.
Mom said she had to pay you back for her Christmas present.
Hi, Amanda. Amanda.
She's busy.
Big blood spot. My face is all like crusty. Don't you ever wake up and crusty?
Yeah, I haven't had that movie.
Try back when
That's exciting. I was
I got humidifier.
you ruined
And
it.
it broke and was leaking all over the place.
All I can do is make like a
That's what happened to my
scrapbook.
mom. They just put in
What disc? Scrapbook.
Oh, this bedroom.
Hey, big cat. Biggie. Big. Big cat. Big cat.
I'll give you an IOU.
I like the tide one.
Well, after that, I never buy that.
Okay.
That's like a tank at the top and it falls.
I can take it home. Eventually.
No, but like if mine overflows.
What is that? The train.
It's like a tray and it's and then if it over.
Oh, man, get it on camera.
And pretty squeaky.
My old one used to drip from the side.
Baby likes the train.
Straight Jenny, remember I woke up and my first
Oh no, derailed.
toes all bloody.
Oh, careful.
Hi, Amanda.
Hello.
It's bloody noses. I get them all the time.
I've never had one. I've never had a bloody nose.
We sneeze.
Let's try to hook that up.
Your nose
TV.
is all dry,
Okay.
so you try to blow it.
Hey, I love you.
You too.
Like,